Do you like your teacher?
Yes, very nice teacher.
Are you confident?
A little.
Do you like learning words?
Yes, new words are fun.
Can you say hello?
Hello?
Can you say nice to meet you?
Nice to meet you.
Very good.
Thank you.
Are you learning fast?
Yes, slow semele, but good.
Do you like English sounds?
Yes, sounds are nice.
Do you watch English videos?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you listen to English songs?
Yes, I do.
Is English useful?
Yes, very useful.
Do you want to speak fluently?
Yes, I want.
Will you practice more?
Yes, every day.
Are you happy now?
Yes, I'm happy.
Do you like conversations?
Yes, I like them.
Is this conversation easy?
Yes, very easy.
Good job.
Thank you.
Do you feel confident now?
Yes, more confident.
Are you ready to learn more?
Yes, I am ready.
Do you like greetings?
Yes, greetings are nice.
Do you say hello to people?
Yes, always.
Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, I do.
Are you shy?
A little.
That's okay.
Yes, thank you.
Do you smile when you talk?
Yes, I smile.
Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, very much.
Is English interesting?
Yes, interesting.
Are you a beginner?
Yes, beginner.
That's great.
Thank you.
Do you practice speaking?
Yes, I try.
Do you like easy English?
Yes, easy English is good.
Do you understand me?
Yes, I understand.
Are you learning well?
Yes, I am.
Do you like today's lesson?
Yes, I like it.
Is English scary?
No, not scary.
Is English fun?
Yes, fun.
Are you proud of yourself?
Yes, I am.
Do you want to continue?
Yes, please.
Do you feel good?
Yes, very good.
Are you relaxed?
Yes, relaxed.
Do you like learning slowly?
Yes, slowly is good.
Do you enjoy practice?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Is this helpful?
Yes, very helpful.
Do you feel happy learning English?
Yes, happy.
Do you want more conversations?
Yes, more please.
Are you ready for the next lesson?
Yes, I'm ready.
Do you like greetings now?
Yes, I like them.
Can you introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Anna.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Do you feel confident speaking?
Yes, a little more.
Do you want to practice more?
Yes, I do.
Do you like speaking English now?
Yes, I like it.
Is it easier than before?
Yes, much easier.
Do you learn new words today?
Yes, many words.
Do you repeat after me?
Yes, I repeat.
Do you like pronunciation?
Yes, it is interesting.
Are you afraid to speak?
No, not now.
Do you feel stronger?
Yes, I do.
Do you need more practice?
Yes, of course.
Can you speak with friends?
Yes, a little.
Do you try every day?
Yes, every day.
Do you like small talks?
Yes, I like them.
Is conversation helpful?
Yes, very helpful.
Do you understand better now?
Yes, I understand more.
Are you improving step by step?
Yes, step by step.
Do you like your progress?
Yes, I do.
Do you want harder questions?
Maybe later.
Do you like easy English?
Yes, it is good.
Can you speak slowly?
Yes, I can.
Can you speak loudly?
Yes, I can.
Do you enjoy this lesson?
Yes, very much.
Is learning fun?
Yes, it is fun.
Do you want to stop?
No, I want more.
Are you motivated?
Yes, I am.
Do you believe in yourself?
Yes, I do.
Can you speak without fear?
Yes, a little.
Do you like your voice in English?
Yes, I like it.
Do you practice at home?
Yes, I do.
Do you watch English every day?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you listen carefully?
Yes, always.
Are you ready to speak alone?
I will try.
Do you make mistakes?
Yes, sometimes.
Is it okay to make mistakes?
Yes, it is okay.
Do you learn from mistakes?
Yes, I learn.
Are you happy with your English?
Yes, I am happy.
Do you want to be fluent?
Yes, I want.
Will you continue learning?
Yes, I will.
Do you thank your teacher?
Yes, thank you.
Do you like today?
Yes, very much.
Is today a good day?
Yes, it is.
Are you proud today?
Yes, I am.
Do you feel ready for more?
Yes, I am ready.
Will you come next lesson?
Yes, of course.
Can we finish now?
Yes.
Was this useful?
Yes, very useful.
Are you tired now?
A little.
What do you say at the end?
Thank you.
See you next time?
Yes, see you.
Are we finished?
Yes, goodbye.
Where are you going?
I'm going to Turkey.
Do you have a ticket?
Yes, I do.
Can I see your passport?
Here you go.
Is this your bag?
Yes, it is.
How many bags do you have?
One bag.
Is your bag heavy?
No, it's light.
What time is your flight?
At 10 a.m.
Where is your gate?
Gate 5?
Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Is this your first trip?
Yes, it is.
Do you travel often?
No, I don't.
Are you alone?
Yes, I am.
Do you need help?
Yes, please.
Where is the gate?
This way.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is this seat free?
Yes, it is.
Can I sit here?
Sure.
Is the flight on time?
Yes, it is.
Are you waiting?
Yes.
Are you tired?
A little.
Do you like flying?
Yes, I do.
Are you nervous?
No, I'm fine.
Is this your ticket?
Yes,
Where are you from?
I'm from Kyrgyzstan.
Is this your first flight?
Yes,
Do you have a room?
yes, we do.
I need a room.
For how many days?
2 days.
Okay,
How much is it?
$50.
Is breakfast included?
Yes,
Can I see the room?
sure.
Is it clean?
Yes, very clean.
Is Wi-Fi free?
Yes.
What is your name?
My name is Ali.
Here is my passport.
Thank you.
Where do you want to go?
To the hotel,
How much is it?
$5.
Is it far?
No, it's near.
Can you help me?
Yes,
Where is the bank?
over there.
Do you speak English?
A little.
Stop here, please.
Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is this the hotel?
Yes,
I like the city.
me too.
Is there a restaurant here?
Yes, there is.
Is it expensive?
No, it's cheap.
Can I pay by card?
Yes,
Do you accept cash?
yes,
Is it open now?
yes.